Welcome to our latest chukar hunting adventure. The area we are hunting today receives quite a bit of snowfall, so we are expecting the birds to be relatively low, but the hiking to be more difficult than usual. This spot is a few hours drive each way, but if past hunts are any indication, the drive should be worth it. The air is cool and there is a bit of wind, so it should be the perfect conditions for Annie to find us some birds.
We got here. The donuts make me go nuts. I wanted to just get the little bag. I didn't see it, so I got the big bag.
The crunch donut is the best of the 3 small donuts you can get.
They do also have like the mini glazed. Those ones are okay.
But I'll die on the hill. The glazed donuts suck in all forms.
I think you're in the minority there, fella.
Dead bird, find a bird. Dead bird. Good girl. Good girl. Where's that bird? Where's that bird? Grab it. Where is it? Oh, it's right there. Good girl, Annie. Good girl. Good girl. Bring it here. Bring it here. Good girl. Good girl. Okay. Come on, Annie. Dead bird. Dead bird. Another dead bird. First bird of the day, guys. Hand-o-eyes, hand-o-eyes. Oh, good girl. Bring it here, Annie. Good girl, bring it here. Bring it here. Good girl. Bring it here, Annie. Good girl, bring it here. Bring it here. Good girl. Second bird of the day. Hand-o-eyes. Annie's on fire.
So I've been thinking about getting an over-under shotgun for a long time. I've been shooting my semi-auto for a number of years now. I want to make the move to the over-under, but honestly, I don't know why. I think they're really cool, but I don't have like a definitive reason of why I do, other than I just think they're cool. So if you're a big proponent of over-under shotguns, let me know in the comments. Try to convince me, because I want to buy a shotgun, but I just need some help to make that final leap into buying it. Okay. Okay. She doesn't want to break.
Some point right there. That's a good girl.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Okay. What a good girl. Annie, you are some kind of dog. Good girl, bring it here. Bring it here, good girl. Good girl, bring it here. Good girl, bring it here. Or right there. Right there's good. Well guys, that's what you call the luckiest jump of my life. Annie was on point all the way down this hill, and I shot my 3rd, 4th, and 5th bird out of that group.
Man, oh man. Annie was on point right by me. I followed her all the way down the hill. And right at the end, those birds ended up being on the other side of Reed, and I didn't get a shot. I kept waiting for one to get up, but sometimes that's how it goes. But no big deal, because Annie took us on a fantastic point down that hill. I was letting her go every so often. We'd inch further, and man, she took us right into birds. That was fantastic. And now it's time for the simile of the week.
Simile of the week.
We were hunting way too high on the mountain, so like a failed attempt at a limbo contest, we needed to go lower. That's your simile of the week.
Simile of the week.
You see her? Do you see her, Reed? There's fresh tracks right there. There are fresh tracks in here.
There's a wad right here. So it could be on this line.
Okay.
Oh, Annie's got one in her mouth.
Oh, good girl, Annie. Bring it here. What a good girl. I wish I knew where she got it.
Behind us, I think.
Good girl, Annie. Good girl. Good girl. That's my girl. That's my girl.
I'll be honest, I was a little upset after that last flush. Annie had done really well. She took us into she took us in that covey. It was textbook. It was awesome. And I got exactly 0 shots. Reed had 5 birds, and I'm just like, it was one of those days where it's just like, man, I cannot get a bird to get up near me. And I was not happy, but, you know, thank you to the hunting gods, because right after that, Annie brought us again into a nice covey of birds, and I got 3 out of there. They were getting up one at a time. Fantastic.
There it is, guys, the limit bird. 2 hunts in a row with the limit. Don't do that too often. Anyways. Well, something we did when we were younger, we don't do it as often anymore, but I think I'm gonna bring it back. When we used to get the limit, we used to do something we call the In the Hall of the Mountain King Boogie. Now, on its face, that probably sounds very weird and very strange, and if I had to describe it in a couple words, I'd say it's very weird and it's very strange. It's just a dance that we do when we get the limit, that's to the tune of the song In the Hall of the Mountain King. Now, In the Hall of the Mountain King is a very old song. If you Google it, you will recognize it, but it's not a song that you got on your Spotify playlist, okay? It's not a bop, I promise you. But that's the song we chose, and I don't know why. Now, to do the In the Hall of the Mountain King boogie, it's pretty simple. It's basically like the Running Man, and you just do it in a circle. You know, I got my boots on, I got my vest on, I can't be, you know, doing a lot of breakdancing out here. So the In the Hall of the Mountain King boogie is you just hum it in your head, and I'm gonna hum it, but you guys aren't gonna know it. Just Google the song. But just kind of Running Man in a circle. So it's like... And that's just what we do. I don't know why we do it, but here's a look into our weird world. Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please hit that like button and leave us a comment. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're interested in any of the gear that we used or any Reels and Ridges merch, check out the links in the description. Thanks again for watching.